Title: Is animal testing justified in the name of scientific progress? Introduction. The use of animals in scientific research has long been a contentious topic, raising ethical, moral, and practical concerns. Animal testing has been instrumental in numerous medical and scientific advancements, leading to life-saving treatments and improved human health. However, the practice also sparks intense debate regarding animal rights, cruelty, and the ethical considerations of using animals as experimental subjects. This article aims to explore the arguments for and against animal testing in the name of scientific progress, considering both the benefits it provides and the ethical implications it raises. Advancements in medical research. 1.1. Contribution to human health. Proponents of animal testing argue that it has played a crucial role in advancing medical research and improving human health outcomes. Many breakthroughs in the field of medicine, such as the development of vaccines, surgical techniques, and treatments for diseases like cancer and diabetes, have relied on animal testing to demonstrate safety and efficacy before moving on to human trials. Animal models have helped scientists understand disease mechanisms, test potential treatments, and assess potential risks to humans. 1.2. Regulatory requirements. Animal testing is often a regulatory requirement in many countries before new drugs or medical treatments can proceed to clinical trials. This rigorous testing helps ensure the safety of potential treatments and protects human subjects from unnecessary risks. Without animal testing, it would be challenging to establish the safety and efficacy of new drugs and treatments, jeopardizing patient well-being. Ethical considerations. 2.1. Animal rights and cruelty. Opponents of animal testing argue that it is inherently unethical to subject animals to experimentation, as it inflicts pain, distress, and suffering on sentient beings. Animals used in research may experience physical and psychological harm, including confinement, surgical procedures, exposure to toxic substances, and invasive testing. Many argue that animals have their own inherent rights, and it is morally wrong to exploit them for human benefit. 2.2. Alternative methods. Critics of animal testing contend that advancements in technology and alternative research methods, such as in vitro models, computer simulations, and tissue cultures, offer viable alternatives that can replace or reduce the reliance on animal experimentation. These methods can provide more accurate results, reduce the suffering of animals, and improve the efficiency of scientific research, validity and reliability. 3.1. Species differences and translatability. One of the key arguments against the use of animals in research is the question of how well the results from animals can be extrapolated to humans. Critics argue that there are significant physiological and genetic differences between species, making it difficult to directly apply findings from animal studies to human health. This raises concerns about the validity and reliability of animal testing as a model for human diseases and treatments. 3.2. Misleading results and drug safety. Some opponents also argue that animal testing can produce misleading results, leading to potential risks for human subjects. Instances of drugs or treatments that showed promising results in animal studies, but failed in human trials have raised doubts about the efficacy and safety of animal models. The limitations and differences between animals and humans can lead to incorrect assumptions and false positives or negatives, potentially compromising patient safety. Alternatives and the 3 rupees principle. 4.1. Replacement. The principle of the 3Rs, replacement, reduction, and refinement, is widely supported by opponents of animal testing. The replacement principle promotes the development and implementation of alternative methods that eliminate or reduce the use of animals in research. This includes the utilization of technologies like in vitro testing, microfluidic systems, and advanced computer models to simulate biological processes and predict human responses. 4.2. Reduction and refinement. The reduction principle advocates for minimizing the number of animals used in research, ensuring that studies are designed to use the fewest animals possible without compromising the scientific validity of the research. The refinement principle focuses on refining experimental procedures to minimize pain, distress, and suffering experienced by animals, through improved housing conditions, pain management, and alternative testing methods that reduce harm, public perception, and changing attitudes. 5.1. Shift towards ethical alternatives. Public opinion plays a crucial role in shaping policies and regulations surrounding animal testing. In recent years, there has been an increasing awareness and concern for animal welfare, leading to a shift in public perception. This changing attitude has prompted governments, research institutions, and pharmaceutical companies to invest in developing and promoting alternative methods to animal testing, reflecting a growing recognition of the ethical concerns regarding animal experimentation. 5.2. Collaboration and innovation. Advancements in technology and scientific innovation have opened up new possibilities for collaborative efforts between researchers, industries, and animal rights organizations. By working together, it is possible to foster the development and adoption of alternative methods, promote innovation in research, and ensure that scientific progress aligns with ethical considerations. Conclusion. The question of whether animal testing is justified in the name of scientific progress is a complex and multifaceted issue. While animal testing has undoubtedly contributed to significant advancements in medical research, it also raises profound ethical dilemmas concerning animal rights and cruelty. The development of alternative methods and the adoption of the 3 rupees principle provide hope for reducing and eventually replacing the use of animals in research. It is crucial to continue exploring and investing in alternative techniques that can provide reliable results while minimizing animal suffering. As society becomes more aware of animal welfare concerns, the pressure to find ethical alternatives to animal testing continues to grow. Striking a balance between scientific progress and ethical considerations requires collaboration between researchers, institutions, and animal rights organizations. By promoting the development and implementation of alternative methods, refining experimental procedures, and reducing the number of animals used, we can work towards a future where scientific progress and animal welfare coexist. Ultimately, the discussion around animal testing should not be framed as a binary choice between scientific progress and animal rights. Instead, it should encourage us to critically evaluate our research practices, explore alternative methods, and prioritize the ethical treatment of animals. By doing so, we can pave the way for a more compassionate and scientifically innovative future.